Okay, so right now we just installed the Senville 7,000 BTU, and electricity is there. Electricity is there, but we haven't turned on the circuit breaker. Then the inside unit is installed, the outside unit is installed, the connection between them is installed. Now, this two lines right now just has air in it, and all the refrigerant is sitting in this unit. So if we open here, if we put in this Allen, currently the screws are in, but if we open, all the refrigerant will come out and go into the line and come out and go inside. It'll be a complete circle and it works. However, right now we have air in the system, and with air in the system, refrigerant doesn't like it. Air has moisture, and moisture turns into acid, and acid eats everything. So if for the long life of the machine, we don't want the air inside. We want to take out the air. So right now, I have this adapter, put the adapter on, and it allows me to connect this hose into this manifold set. And then everything's tightened, and the manifold set is connected to the vacuum pump. Then I'm going to turn on the vacuum pump, and the vacuum pump is going to pull air out, pull this way. But it's right here, it's stopping right here. The air cannot go anymore, or the vacuum cannot go anymore, so I have to open this one. Open here. I have to open it, and then the vacuum come here, and then it pulls out. Yeah? So right now, no working, okay? Then this is working, okay? So now, we're gonna turn this on, and you see the number 0? We want to go to 30, negative. This is positive 30, this is negative 30. We want to go negative 30. So now I turn, I have no power. Yeah, put the power. Okay. And then this vacuum pump has an on and off thing too. And then I have different adapters. So you don't need a yellow jacket, such a big, it's just for a high volume stuff. But now we need to turn on. Turn on over here. So here we go. Okay, so it's sucking. You hear the noise? That means everything here is no air. Now it's working. Now I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, Oscar. You come over here, Oscar. So tighten, and tighten. It'll be good, right?
Yes.
All good? One more time. Tighten. Okay. Open. Oh, go to 30, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have to wait.
Okay.
Go all the way to 30.
Okay.
Yeah. But you hear the machine? 30.
Oh, okay.
Slow down. Yeah. And this one I think have a. This one's closed. Is open? I don't know. So we have to close this here. And then open here. You open. Okay, open. Take your hand all the way, open. Take your hand, put here. Put your hand. You see? It's working, okay?
Yeah.
Sucking.
Okay.
Okay? Sucking. Hold on, momento. Sucking? No, right?
No.
See this one? This is closed.
Oh, okay.
Open. Sucking, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you put in. Oh, you hear the noise? Okay. And then this needs to be open, okay?
Yeah.
This open. Okay, that's it. Now this one, the sucking called the English vacuum.
Yeah.
Vacuum.
Suction.
Yeah, suction, vacuum. So right now it go in here, it go in here, it go there. It pull out.
Oh, okay.
Okay? And then we wait until it go low. We do this maybe for the car, 15 minutes.
Okay.
The car 15 minutes, but the house, I don't know. So
Okay.
maybe do the same. 15 minutes for the house.
Okay.
And then when we finish, we close here, turn off, and we wait 30 minutes.
Okay.
Make sure it no go to 0.
Okay.
Go to 0, no good.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so right here is finished. So we have to look at the time. Where's your telephone?
Look. 8 o'clock.
Yeah, where's the telephone? 3:14.
Yeah.
3:15. So we do this for 15 minutes. So
3:30.
3:30. 3:30 we stop and we wait 30 more minutes.
Oh, okay.
So 4 o'clock we open.
Okay.
And oh please, cold.
He has his own machine too.
Oh,
Wonderful.
oh wow, he does?
Fancier than yours.
Oh, nice.